Jai Hind, my dear students. Welcome back to the EVS period. So, children, yesterday we have done the notebook exercise of lesson 7, thus keeping healthy. And what was the exercise A? It was who am I? Yes. So, everybody has completed the work? Great. If you have done it, well done. And yes, I have also given you our homework to do, to draw or paste the pictures that helps you to remain clean or that helps you to keep yourself clean. So I hope that you all have drawn the picture. Have you? Good. So what all you have drawn there? Like toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, and so many other things that helps you to remain clean. Great. Those who have done it, I know that everybody has done it. Good. So now children, today we will finish off the second exercise of this same lesson, that is keeping healthy. So everyone now please be ready with your EVS notebook, and yes, along with the notebook I also want that you should be ready with pencil, eraser, scale and some pencil colors. Okay. So in the meanwhile, till then I share my screen with you all. Till that time you have to arrange the things, and for this you will get around 15 seconds. Okay, so now your time starts now. Start arranging the things fast. See, I am ready. Are you all ready? Please bring your notebook, EVS notebook, pencil, eraser, some pencil colors, and don't forget to bring the scale. So now are you all ready? Now 15 seconds are over. You need to be ready. Good. Now come on children, are you all ready to do your today's classwork? Okay. So now let's start the work. Okay. So yesterday we have already filled the index. We have already written the heading, that is lesson number 7, keeping healthy. So please now turn the next page. Exercise A you have done who am I. Now in the next page you will do today's work. And how we start the work? By writing classwork and date at the top. So can you please write down the classwork and date at the top of your notebook? As you can see, the way I have written it in my notebook, or you can say on my computer screen. The same way you also have to write it in your notebook. So after writing down the date and classwork, then in the first line you will write down the heading, that is exercise number B. This exercise number B has to be written outside the margin. There is a red margin. Can you see that red line? Right. So the red, outside that red line you will write down number B. Not number but alphabet B, letter B. After writing down exercise number B outside the margin, now come back inside the margin and then in the first line, please write it down. Answer the following questions. Yes, today we are going to do the question answers of this chapter. Question answers. I'm waiting till the time you complete your heading, date, classwork and this heading. Now everybody has done? Now, after writing this heading in the first line, now from the second line, you will start writing question number 1. And here is the question number 1. So the first question is, why do we need to keep ourselves neat and clean? The first question is, why do we need to keep ourselves neat and clean? After writing down the question answer, after writing the question, put a question mark at the end. I have told you in English, beta, that when you were learning about the sentences, I told you that why we need to put full stop or a question mark at the end. So here, as because you can see the sentence is asking a question to you. So here we are going to put a question mark at the end. So the question is, why do we need to keep ourselves neat and clean? What is the meaning of this? That हमें अपने आप को नीट और क्लीन रखने की क्या जरूरत है, क्यों जरूरत है? And the answer to this question is, we need to keep ourselves neat and clean to stay healthy. हमें अपने आप को नीट और क्लीन इसलिए रखने की ज़रूरत है जिससे हम हेल्दी रहें, हम बीमार ना पड़ें. We should not fall sick. So first please write down the question number 1 and its answer. So children, handwriting should be up to the mark, neat and tidy. Make sure that your notebook is very neat and tidy and your handwriting is as beautiful as you. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि आपकी हैंडराइटिंग आपका कैरेक्टर दिखाती है. अगर आप शैबी लिखते हैं तो इट मीन्स आप डिसिप्लिन्ड नहीं हैं. आपको डिसिप्लिन होने की ज़रूरत है, डिसिप्लिन आप में आने की ज़रूरत है. और अगर आप अच्छी तरह से लिखते हैं, अच्छी हैंडराइटिंग में, इट मीन्स आप कुछ रूल्स को, डिसिप्लिन को फॉलो करते हैं, है ना। सो बेटा, जैसे आप बहुत प्यारे प्यारे हैं, सुंदर सुंदर हैं, वैसे ही मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपनी हैंडराइटिंग भी अपने तरह ही सुंदर और प्यारी लिखें। Done, बच्चा? Now, after completing question number 1, use a scale and any pencil color to draw the line. ठीक है? Like this, see how I have drawn the line, a straight line using a blue pencil color. So the same you also have to do it in your notebook, okay? And this question answer ये सब आपको कहाँ लिखना है? White page पर नहीं, जहाँ 4 lines हैं वहाँ लिखना है, okay? So beta, hope that you have completed question number 1. Now let's come to question number 2. Again I am repeating beta, after completing the first question answer, please draw a line. हम लाइन्स क्यों ड्रॉ करते हैं? इससे हमारी नोटबुक नीट एंड टाइडी दिखती है, अच्छा दिखता है काम। और एट द सेम टाइम कोई भी अगर XYZ ले, मान लीजिए आपने लिखा और मैंने आपकी नोटबुक मांगी, आपने लाइन अगर ड्रॉ करके प्रॉपर्ली लिखा है तो मुझे समझ में आता है कि यस, आपने अपना वर्क कंप्लीट किया है। हम लाइन कब ड्रॉ करते हैं? जब हम अपना वर्क कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं। आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग आवर वर्क वी ड्रॉ अ लाइन टू शो दैट वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर वर्क। और इससे अलग अलग सेग्रीगेट भी हो जाता है वर्क, तो हमको देखने में, हमको पढ़ने में अच्छा दिखता है और आसानी भी होती है ना। So always make a habit beta that after completing your work you must draw a line. Now let us read the question number 2. So the question number 2 is, what should we follow to stay healthy? हमें क्या फॉलो करना चाहिए हेल्दी रहने के लिए? यहाँ मैंने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में तो हमने पढ़ा कि हमको अपने आप को नीट एंड क्लीन रखना है, तो हमें हेल्दी रहना है, बट हमें क्या फॉलो करना है हेल्दी रहने के लिए? सो द आंसर इज वी शुड फॉलो गुड हैबिट्स टू स्टे हेल्दी। हेल्दी अगर आप रहना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए आपको गुड हैबिट्स फॉलो करनी होंगी। What are the good habits? To wake up early in the morning, to exercise, to eat good food, healthy food, to brush your teeth twice a day, to wear clean clothes, to always every day taking bath, wearing neat and well ironed clothes, drinking filtered water. So these are some of the basic good habits that we all should follow to stay healthy. So now you just complete your work. Just give me a sec, beta. Yes. Without any interruption. Now, please complete the work fast. Okay? I'm giving you 5 minutes to complete it. Everybody is doing it. Please complete your work in time. Hope you all are doing your work sincerely, beta. If you look here and there, if you do any other stuff, then you won't be able to complete your work. Be very attentive and complete the work, bacha. Okay, 1 more minute to go. After 1 minute, I will change the slide. So complete your work fast. Now done? Great. Now beta, after completing this part, that is exercise B, now come to the next page, come to the next new page and write down exercise number C. Now children, as you all know that in your EVS notebook, you have one side plain paper, plain page, and the other side there is 4 lines, right? There are 4 lines. So here do not do this work here right now on the white page. Just in the line page, just in the 4 lines page, please write down homework at the top end and today's date, and then write down exercise number C, activity. Exercise number C, activity. And what is the exercise? Write few good habits that you follow to stay healthy. Paste relevant pictures too. So you have to here in this section, after writing down the question, you have to write the answer on your own. The same you don't have to copy it down. This is your homework. What you have to do? Write few good habits that you should follow to stay healthy. कुछ अच्छे गुड हैबिट्स आपको लिखने हैं जो आप फॉलो करते हैं, जो आप अपने लाइफ में हर रोज फॉलो करते हैं, और उससे रेलेवेंट आप पिक्चर्स भी अपने यहाँ पे इस तरफ जो वाइट पेज है वहाँ पर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं या पेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं। देखो जैसे कुछ मैंने ये होमवर्क मैंने किया है, अब मैं अपने बारे में मैंने कुछ गुड हैबिट्स के बारे में लिखा है। Not necessary that you have to write these same 4 lines as I have written. यही सेम 4 लाइन्स आपको नहीं लिखनी है। आप अपने जो कोई गुड हैबिट्स जो आप फॉलो करते हैं उसे आप लिख सकते हैं। जैसे मैंने देखो क्या लिखा है, ये एक एग्जाम्पल दिखाने के लिए मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है। What all I have written, like number 1 I have written I wake up early in the morning. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठती हूँ। Number 2 I brush my teeth twice a day. मैं दिन में 2 बार ब्रश करती हूँ। Number 3 I take bath every day. मैं रोज बाथ लेती हूँ। Number 4 I trim my nails regularly. मैं अपने नेल्स को रेगुलर इंटरवल पर ट्रिम करती हूँ। I never ever keep my nails dirty. So see here I have written these 4 points that I follow in my life. And उससे रिलेटेड मैंने देखो कुछ पिक्चर्स भी ड्रॉ किए हैं। लाइक मैंने टूथपेस्ट, टूथब्रश और फोम क्रीम का यहाँ पर पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया, यहाँ मैंने सोप का पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया, यहाँ मैंने नेल कटर का पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया, और यहाँ पे एक सिंपल सी बॉय गर्ल मतलब मैंने ये दिखाया है कि एक्सरसाइज करते हुए। सो यहाँ देख सकते हैं सिंपली आप कैसे सर्कल्स बनाकर एक्सरसाइज करता हुआ आप अपने आप को दिखा सकते हैं अगर आप एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो। जल्दी से लिख लो बेटा। Everybody is writing the activity. First write down the heading, homework and date, then write down the question, and then you can answer the question. Not necessary that you have to write the same what I have written. These are my good habits that I follow. What are your good habits that you have to tell and you have to write. Okay? हाँ, अगर आपकी यही सेम गुड हैबिट्स हैं जो आप भी फॉलो करते हैं मेरी तरह, तो डेफिनेटली आप इन हैबिट्स को लिख सकते हैं। ये आंसर आपके भी हो सकते हैं इफ यू ऑल्सो फॉलो दीज गुड हैबिट्स। और ये हैबिट्स लिखने के बाद, आंसर कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपके पास अगर टाइम है तो फिर वाइट पेज में, वाइट शीट में जैसे मैंने ड्रॉ किया है पिक्चर्स, आप भी इसी से रिलेटेड, हेल्दी हैबिट्स से रिलेटेड पिक्चर्स यहाँ पर ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। Write it neatly, beta. Do not waste your time. Now hope that everybody has written the homework. Now you can draw the pictures after writing down the answer. Great. So now here is the other slide, that is your today's homework. So what is your today's homework? You are supposed to learn exercise B, that is question answer. Question answers को आपको learn करने हैं and do exercise number C, activity. Activity को आपको complete करना है. Okay? So children, hope that everybody has completed the work. Have you completed question answer? Okay, good. And then what about the activity? Have you written the question? Great, if you have written the question. So now complete the answer too. After completing the answer, then next thing what you are supposed to do, to draw, you have to draw the pictures that the good habits that you follow. So you can draw the pictures related to it, or even if you want to paste the pictures, it's perfectly fine. Okay, so for your reference, I am going to share the PDFs of today's classwork and homework in your WhatsApp group. So please refer it once again if you have already completed the work, and if anybody is left, if you feel that maybe there is some mistake, then please refer the PDF once again so that your work is flawless, errorless. Okay? So now it's time to say bye to you all, because now again we are going to meet in our next class, that is on Monday. So till then children, just take care of yourself and have a great day ahead. Bye.